Okay, let's start. Okay, first question, all right? You look at this table straight away. Okay, now, once you see here, spend some stages of its life cycle in water. So animal Q, yes. So animal Q will spend part of the life cycle in water. Can everybody type in the chat, which animal is this in your syllabus? Which animals will spend some time in water? Especially, which animal lay eggs in water, in other words? Okay, which animal lay eggs in water? All right, can everybody type in the chat, which animal lay eggs in water? Okay, excellent answer, Evan. Ruben, you only have one answer. There should be a second one. Would you like to try it for the second one? All right, lay eggs in water. That will be.
I
all
put
right,
in mosquito as well.
say again.
I put in the other one.
Couldn't. You put in the other one. I see. Can you all put into one line so that? Okay, now I see it. All right. So frog and mosquito. Okay, well done, Ruben. Well done, Evan. All right, because my window is very small. If you put in separate lines, one is on top, one is below. So I will not be able to see the one on top. Okay, so try and put both answers together before you enter. Okay, so frog and mosquito. Well done, both boys. Right, let me admit and okay. And mark the attendance before I forget. Hi, and okay, let's continue. All right, so please remember lay eggs in water is frog and mosquito. So frog is correct here. All right, so it's either frog and mosquito. So this one straight away wrong already. All right, so A and C is definitely wrong. Okay, then I move on. I use a different color. Yes. All right, so 3-stage life cycle. So here, yes, means this is 3-stage. All right, then can you tell me if you write no, it means how many stage? How many stage is here? Claire, would you like to answer this question? Claire, how many stage for animal P? Do you see the question mark? How many stage life cycle for animal P, Claire? Claire, are you there? I'm asking animal P has how many stage life cycle? Not sure, just say not sure. Okay, Ruben, your answer is correct. But I'm leading everyone, I'm guiding everybody through this question. All right, good job, Ruben. Claire, are you there? Claire? Animal P. Okay, everybody type into the chat then. All right, so my question, I'm going to put into the question. Animal P has how many stage life cycle? Okay, everybody type your answer into the chat now. I should have 5 answers. Animal P has how many stage life cycle? Okay, good job, Anne. The rest? Good job, Ruben. The rest? Jane, Claire? Claire, internet got off. Evan, can you look at my laser pointer? Evan, look at my laser pointer. Has a 3-stage life cycle. The answer is yes for animal Q. All right, and the answer is no for animal P. All right, animal P is no. So animal P has how many stage, Evan? All right, it should be 4 stage. Okay, well done, everyone. So here is definitely 4 stage. Okay. Now, since we are looking for 4-stage life cycle, can everybody type into the chat? What is the, no worries, Evan. Can you tell me 4-stage, what is a memory aid? To help us remember the animal.
Alpha.
Not alpha. Alpha is the stages. All right, 8 larva, pupa, adult. I'm saying which animals have 4-stage life cycle?
Big money.
Yes, thank you very much. All right, big
I
money.
typed in the chat.
All right, big money. So big means which animal? Everybody type in the chat. What does big money stand for? And give me both answer. Big money stands for what? Type into the chat. I should have 5 answer. Big money stands for which animals with 4-stage life cycle? Okay, and your first answer is correct. I need a second answer. What does money stand for? The rest, quickly type into the chat. Now, boys and girls, you really have to type into the chat your responses. If you cannot remember, write not sure. But at least you try. I want responses in the chat for every one of you. I only have 5 of you. Okay, thank you for letting me know you're not sure. All right, big money. So Claire, think of an animal that starts with B and M. B and M. All right, 2 animals that start with B, start with M. M will bite you and suck your blood. B is a very beautiful insect that flies in the garden, that goes near to flowers. All right, Claire, would you like to try? Type into the chat, B and M. All right, well done, Ruben. Okay, and M doesn't stand for monkey. Okay, monkey does not have 4 stage. Okay, monkey only 3 stage. Anyway, monkey is not in your syllabus. Okay, a good try. All right, so it's butterfly. Claire, can you help me with M? Claire, animal M suck your blood. Animal M is an insect that will drink your blood. You get bitten if you don't spray insect repellent. You can use your mic. Claire, are you able to use your mic? Unmute yourself, Claire. Okay, now I see the answer already. Mosquito, thank you. Good job. So butterfly and mosquito 4 stage. Please remember this. All right, so I'm going to highlight 4 stage. So it's butterfly and mosquito. You must know this. Big money. Butterfly, mosquito. All right, these 2 are in your PSLE syllabus, primary 6 syllabus. Yes, primary 6 syllabus, you'll be tested on this. Therefore, animal P has to be either butterfly or mosquito. All right, so here 4 stage, that means here is, all right, either butterfly or mosquito. Okay, so butterfly is correct, mosquito is wrong. All right, therefore the only answer will be B. Do you see how I do it? All right, so I'm using red with red, blue, and blue. So the red ones will tell me cross tick. All right, red with red. All right, so because I know frog and mosquito lay eggs in water, that means frog and mosquito will spend some stages of its life cycle in water. When the frog eggs hatch, all right, then the tadpole will live in the water. When the mosquito eggs hatch, the mosquito larva will live in the water. All right, so and mosquito, you must remember, is all in the frog eggs and mosquito eggs are laid inside the water. Well, butterfly eggs are laid on the where? Where do butterflies lay their eggs, everyone? Where does butterfly lay its eggs?
On a leaf.
Very good, on the green leaves. All right, butterfly will lay eggs on the green leaves of the plant. But mosquito and frog will lay eggs in the water and their eggs will float on top. Okay, so red words with the red tick. So the blue words will tell me tick, tick, cross, cross. Because I know animal P has 4 stage life cycle. 4 stage life cycle, remember big money, B and B, M and M. All right, any questions so far? Okay, so big money. Right, let's move on. Okay, so these are the frog eggs. All right, they look like human eyes. It looks like a little bit like eyes, right? Okay, so at each time, a frog will lay 3,000 eggs each time. All right, so one frog will lay 3,000 eggs in the water and the eggs will float on the water. Then one mosquito will lay 100 eggs. Do you see the eggs here, white color? Right, it's quite long like that. All right, so there are many eggs. Here is about 100 eggs. Okay, so mosquito lay eggs in water and frog also lay eggs in water. So take note, lay eggs in water is frog and mosquito. All right, let's go to question 2. Now, question 2, I have alerted the back-end team that there is an error with the question. So the red color words, if you have printed the worksheet, can you change the option answers? Because the original answers, there is no answer. All right, so originally all A, B, C, D are all wrong. So I have asked them to make the change. Okay, so I have alerted this question is not set by Miss Ivy. Okay, it's not Miss Ivy make mistakes. It's just that when I'm given this worksheet and I've highlighted the back-end team to make the changes to the question. All right, so let's do this question together. Okay, so this one, amount of food eaten at stage A. Okay, so basically the following table shows the amount of food that animal K eats once animal K has been hatched from the egg. After hatching from the egg, then we start counting stage. There's 3 stages. I don't know which one comes first. All right. The amount of food eaten at stage A is 25 grams of food. Stage B, the animal eats 14 grams of food. Stage C, the animal eats 0 grams of food. That means at stage C, the animal doesn't eat. Can everybody type into the chat, what is stage C? All right, type into the chat, what is stage C? Doesn't eat one. Type into the chat. What is stage C? Okay, well done. And the rest, I have 5 of you here. Okay, good job, Ruben. So I got 2 correct answers. I'm still waiting for 3 more students. I repeat my question. Which stage does not eat? Which stage does not eat?
Pupa.
Evan, I asked for people to type into the chat. So Evan, you have contributed the answer. Then how about Jane? How about Claire? Jane and Claire have not typed in their answer. So Evan, when I say type into the chat, please follow instruction. All right, thank you. So Jane and Claire, type your answer into the chat. Which stage does not eat? Not sure, just type not sure so that I don't have to wait for you. Okay, Jane and Claire. Not sure, just type not sure. You don't have to be too stressed. I just need to know who knows their work and who has forgotten. It's okay if you have forgotten. I will not scold you. I need you to participate in the lesson. You cannot sit down there and tell me, all right? Now, Claire, this is not my question. Okay, my question is, I'm going to type the question here. What stage, all right, does not eat? All right, or rather animal stage. Animal in what stage? All right, does not eat. So Claire and Jane, I have the answer, please? I'm waiting for 2 of you. Which stage? Is it egg stage, larva stage, pupa stage, or adult stage? Okay, what stage it does not eat? Larva, pupa, or adult? Okay, Jane, wrong concept, but thank you for responding. Thank you so much for responding. At least I have an answer from you, Jane. Even though the answer is wrong, it's okay. It is okay. At least you have tried. Very good. Good job, Jane. How about Claire? Claire, what is the answer? What stage? Is it larva stage, pupa stage, adult stage? What stage does not eat? Claire, can I have a response in the chat or you can unmute yourself? Okay, thank you. Now I have the answer from Claire. Good job, Claire. So this is what I need everyone to do. Type your answers very quickly in the chat. Cannot remember? Not sure? Never mind. I will not scream at you. I will only get angry if you don't give me an answer in the chat. That means you're not paying attention during the lesson. All right, so please give me the answer. And if you give it fast, we have time to play a game later. All right, so we were saying one of you got the wrong concept. And let me see. Jane, you got the wrong concept. So take note, pupa stage, they don't eat. All right, at pupa stage, they does not eat, they does not really move. All right, they can't move from place to place. They only twitch a little bit. They only move a very little bit. They don't move from one place to another place. So pupa stage, right, they does not eat. But animal in what stage eats a lot? All right, eats a lot. Okay, can everybody, let me type the question into the chat. Okay, animal. All right, I'll wait for my question first. Otherwise, I do not know. Okay, now everybody type your answers into the chat. I need 5 answers. Let me see who's the last one to give me an answer. Is the answer larva stage, pupa stage, adult stage? Right, I got one answer already. Good job, Anne.